Every girl love sex. Because when you bandu look, y'all do as I say, like me walk voodoo. Six like you all play so fool, no. Long 30 clip in the room.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So for the first time y'all check out the Chaddy Murray TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know.
Yeah, strike it, strike it, strike it, strike God.
So in this video, we are gonna talk about how WALLY British react to the coronavirus vaccine. DHQ Nikki Chromaz got engaged, and Beenie Man first public statement after his mother passed away. But before we take a look at those topics, if you haven't followed us on Instagram, please do so now at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Make we take in some hot tracks, some new tracks, and then we go straight to the topics.
Every girl love sex. Because when you bandu look, y'all do as I say, like me walk voodoo. Six like you all play so fool, no.
Anyway, me come me bad, never sorry. Badness, never have something glue pa me and them a lucky. 17 and 23 and Berita, Nigerian. If I fly pitch pa me is another body.
Them a family, my promise.
Amen.
The swear so we have to live lavish till the day I vanish. Take a boat, go on foreign if it's slow, not the 14th Paris.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Walla vibes, walla vibes.
So since the passing of Beenie Man's mother, him kinda shy away from social media. And when me say shy away, him delete every single post off him social media couple weeks now, as I say, since the passing of his mother. But this morning, bright and early, Beenie Man took it to his Instagram to post this video.
Hi, I'm here to tell you that I do appreciate all the condolences that you all send for me and my family. I do love that. And I know my family do appreciate it. To all my fans and well-wishers, thank you for sending out all the condolences. And especially to my co-workers, all the entertainers who really pour out their heart. You know, I really do appreciate of it, and my family do appreciate of it. And I'm telling you that we are here trying to be strong, so but we got to hold on and we got to be that person for all the family to realize that our moms is in heaven with the Almighty Father that she prays to every day, that she support every day, because my mother is a Christian, so she believes in Jesus Christ and heaven and all these things. So she's in heaven with Jesus Christ right now. So all we have to do is just pray for we to be stronger, you know, so we can move on with life and just make sure we take care of the family. So thank you for loving my moms. Thank you for showing respect to my moms. And thank you for all your well wishes. Thank you very much. Beenie Man, I'm out.
Yo, it good to see King Beenie Man finally a smile and them thing there. You can see say when him do that video here, even though him sad, but him do it with a happy heart. You see me? Rest in peace, Mama Lilith. Your soul gone to a better place.
Everybody wave your hand in the air from your heart not dirty. Your heart clean like the water from the stream. Your mind not dirty. You think clean. I will never got you for you.
For a decision them where people make, they don't make them off of them one. They don't go move with the crowd. They don't go somebody if most people say yes, they say yes. If most people say no, they say no. I am saying this in regards to the coronavirus vaccine. When I hear people talk about no, everybody say, oh, no, take that. No, take that in a good fear. This, that. How do you know that? How do you know how when they are Jamaica, when I pick me, when I go to clinic or have pick me, and go there and they ram vaccine left, right, and center, and just say, alright, come back, this a date, this a vaccine, this a, I don't take care, I don't know nothing about. You know why in them, the eagle, them, the time, in California, the hepatitis, the vaccine, them, the flu season, the vaccine, the people that take here, there, and everywhere. Oh, no, no, say them, they're good, so no, just go say this no good. Make up on own of mind, man. Make up on own of mind. Me no know, me not say me I go be the first one to take it, but if me hear say you can't take this and you can't catch corona, me dep on the train and me not follow nobody.
One thing I'm learning in life, everybody entitled to them own opinion. Now, if Wally British is not going to take any corona vaccine, we can't force her, or if she want to take the corona vaccine, we still cannot force her if she take it. No, I don't quite agree with what I say still, or not necessarily agree, but me kind of have a different perspective of it. Boy, the corona vaccine up there, I actually take it. Even if me I go take it, yo, me not go line up and say, yo, corona vaccine, I want to be the first to take it. Me don't know how that's something that go. But tell me what you think in the comment section, though. If and when they develop a vaccine, will you be taking it? Now, from time to time, artists, celebrity, social media personality, and all those quote-unquote influencers, there's always been this controversial topic wherein people are say, yo, the social media people, them, the artists, them, all of them people, them for mind where them post on their social media because them have young kids will look up to them. And then on the other side, them always say, yo, the parents them need to protect them kids. The parents them need to guide them kids because they can't left up them kids upon them own for social media. Guide them. And me totally agree with that. No, Dovey Magnum react to all of that conversation. Apparently somebody message Dovey Magnum and say, yo, you need to mind where you post and them think them because you're a public figure. And this is what Dovey Magnum reply and say, and people, me nah filter out the bad with them. I want to get it right. Check out this.
Some real shit. My hate one time these look a big stinking parents come on people page. I love talk about, oh, are your kids this? And look into yourself. And this. Bitch, me nah no kids. And me's not on a blood clot picnic parents. Uno go fuck and breed and have on a picnic. Uno go set the example. Be the road muggle. Be the mago. The all of the duh. For no picnic them. Don't expect me for blood clot do it. Uno don't fuck on no mama blood clot with me. And come talk about kids this, kids this. Listen, me nah no kids. Again, me nah no kids. You understand me? Go and set the right example for you motherfuckers, kids. Don't expect we celebrity or people supposed to set that example for uno picnic. And uno fucking breed. Go do it. Go and do it. Don't expect me to do it. Don't come on my page and come tell me what me post from what me no post or what me do, bitch.
Me see somebody comment under that same post and say celebrity where. I don't know still. But for the big man level, I want to tell me what I think about what she said. Me never will give my opinion. Me just make it stay right there. So now check out Nikki Chromaz engagement.
So, oh, yes, baby. Set me up. You guys are set me up. Yeah?
Yes. 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 Congrats, guys. Congrats.
Thank you, baby.
Thanks, guys. Congrats.
So Nikki Chromaz post that video with the caption, Spanish Court Hotel staff, y'all prank me. I love you, my baby. You have changed my life without even trying. And I don't think I could ever tell you how much you mean to me. I choose you 100 times. Happy soon to be wife over here, Mrs. Facey. So people, wanna see what going on right there? So Nikki Chromaz get engaged and soon to be married. And you know, say Nikki Chromaz did kind of hide her man. Not necessarily hide her man, you know, but just not showing her man with the public's eye. Not posting on Instagram nor nothing. But we see earlier this year, she start post the brother and them thing there. She later uploaded the piece of rock, the piece of ice. Me I tell her say it cool. That's the ring that is. Anyway, blessings to Nikki Chromaz and our man, our husband, our soon to be husband. I hope say marriage lasts very, very long. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My gone.